So my sister-in-law, she makes this drink called Sorrel. It's a Caribbean tea beverage similar to Chinese style tea, where you take dried hibiscus tea leaves, you soak it in warm to hot water, and it creates a dark reddish purple color. It tastes similar to cranberry juice. And you can add brown sugar into it. My brother says she adds clove sometimes. You got spices like cinnamon. And then you could chill it and turn it into a beverage, and it tastes pretty good. And it's a great alternative to soda because you can control the sugar levels. And hibiscus leaves, hibiscus, the flower, it looks similar to red roses. And when it's turned into a beverage, there's benefits like it has vitamin C. You know, when a banana, it starts to oxidize and it starts turning brown. Vitamin C, it counters that oxidation. And sorrel, it's also great for managing high blood pressure. So if you have high blood pressure and you're drinking sorrel, it'll help to bring it to manageable levels. And this is because it has minerals like potassium that counter the sodium levels in our system, and it has zinc and magnesium, and also helps with sore throat. You don't want to drink too much of it if you have kidney problems in the past, like kidney stones. So you want to drink this moderately. And if you make it, you can get the leaves from grocery outlet if you live in the US. Or if you don't live near a grocery outlet or you live outside of the US, you can order them from online. The ratio's around 1 cup of sorrel leaves to 4 cups of water. If you never drunk this sorrel before, just drink a little bit and see how your body responds. I drank this. This is my first time drinking this. Was about a month ago, 2 months ago. I felt fine while drinking it. So sorrel is just another healthy beverage and a great alternative to soda you can add into your nutrition. I actually get to drink some right now. Yep. Yeah, it tastes similar to cranberry juice or like blueberries if you were to juice some blueberries. It tastes like a juice. It tastes better than soda. Yeah, it tastes like a fruit juice. But cranberry juice is like probably up in my head. It tastes similar to cranberry juice, but still has its own like distinctive taste. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. So add sorrel hibiscus tea drink into your nutrition.